strengthening of your pelvic floor before pregnancy. Are you worried about pelvic floor issues like incontinence or any discomfort during pregnancy? Pelvic floor dysfunction is very common during pregnancy, leading to incontinence and pelvic organ prolapse. These are the challenges that many women aren't prepared for. Strengthening your pelvic floor before pregnancy is extremely crucial. Physiotherapy can help reduce this all risks, support your growing baby. I focus on exercises that enhances the flexibility and the strength of these important muscles. Take control of your pelvic health before pregnancy. Schedule a consultation today to learn how we can help.